Guys, I will show you the easiest way and the correct way how to send message correctly or DM someone on Quora mobile. Open Quora like this first, and this is the home page. As you can see, go and click on the corner of the screen here and click on messages. Here, as you can see, this is my messages. I tag with one. So what I have to do, I will click here, or for example, if this conversation is deleted, on this list we can find this plus icon. Click on it like this and search for the person that you want to contact. For example, I will write random name, for example this person, and I will click hey and click send, and yeah, that's all. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe, and see you in another video.